Hey everyone, welcome back, and this time I'm going to show you how we can stop Duolingo notifications. So there are two ways how we can approach this and stop it, because if you get inside the Duolingo app as such, right, you can see I'm on the main page in Duolingo. I can click on the three dots in the bottom right, click on profile, and then at the settings. And in here, you can click on notifications and decide specifically if you get the reminders of friends, leaderboards, announcement, and friend nudges, right? So you can see that you can disable it, enable it, and so on for some specific things below in here. So that's how you can control it within the Duolingo app. However, you can as well go to the main settings app of your iPhone like this, where you can notice the notifications menu, and every single app is going to be listed in here. So in my case, I have the Duolingo in here. So if you don't ever want to be disturbed or notified about anything, make sure you have it turned off fully, right? But when you enable it, you can customize it further, right? You can manage if it shows up as a banner in a notification center and so on. And of course, if you have it enabled, you can continue within the Duolingo notifications as I showed you at the beginnings. But the point is, if we want to stop it entirely and fully turn it off, just disable it inside of the settings, and that's gonna be fine. So I hope it helped. Let me know if you found this video helpful. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll catch you in the next uploads in the future.